welcome to Gordon Guitar. Gatie, he's back again here, been here many times, and I couldn't leave this song out. It's a great song from him, Million Miles Apart. Okay, so we have 4 chords here with a capo on the 6th fret, and that's it, a melody to it, and yeah. Let's start with this one. We have the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B now, and 3rd E. And the open B sometimes, or most of the times, we play 3rd B, this time open, because we have the melody here played on open, so that's the reason, alright? Next chord, C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. Okay, so a bar here, the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So let's look at the picking and the patterns. It's pretty much the same, but with different grips. So let's start with A minor. You will play this part. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B. Repeat that again, open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and then open A and 2nd D. That's the first half, and then you repeat that again, second time, you know, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B, open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and then you play open A, 3rd B, open A, 2nd D. Okay, so there's an added note there, and it will be that with all these chords in the end. So slowly. All right. That takes us to the G part. And here you can actually just hold the 3rd fret on E string. That's enough for this melody when you play this melody, okay? So this part will sound like this. Okay, so that is 3rd fret E, open D, and open B. Repeat that, so 3rd E, open D, open B, 3rd E, and open D. This is the first half. Then you repeat that again, so 3rd E, open D, open B, 3rd E, open D, open B, and then 3rd E, 1st B, 3rd E, open D. So slowly. Now we're heading into this melody, going in the C part now. This sounds like that. Okay, so that is, yeah, you can actually just hold the 3rd fret A string to begin with. You can play like this, so 3rd A, open G, open E. Repeat that. 3rd A, open D, open E, 3rd A, and open G. Perhaps I said D, I'm not sure. I meant, of course, open G. So again, 3rd A, open G, open E, 3rd A, open G, open E, 3rd A, open G. That's the first half, and then again, 3rd A, open G, open E, 3rd A, open G, and then 1st E, 3rd A, open G. Okay, so like this. Okay, yeah, then we have the final chord left, it's the F, and here I suggest you hold the chord as it is, so full F here, and that part will sound like this. Okay, so that is first on E, third on A, and second on G. Repeat that. First E, third A, second G. And then first E, third A. That's the first half. And second half goes first E, third A, second G. First E, third A, first B, and then first E, third A. And that's it for F, and that's it for this melody. Okay, many numbers and letters like this. I hope you didn't get confused here. I think you see the pattern here, and you hold pretty much one grip through entire chord, and then you switch and play the next with the same pattern and so on. So I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower to really hear how it sounds. So let's go. So something like that. And then we have the strumming left. You can choose to go with the strumming also. So of course the same chord progression, A minor, G, C, and F. And one round starting with A minor will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and with the chord progression, it will sound like this. A minor, G, C, and F. And that covers Alligatie's Million Miles Apart. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon, and play tuned.